Hello students, welcome back to the math tutorials practice maths. So today we are going to discuss 12.2 exercise applications of trigonometry. So already we completed 12.1. So now 12.2 we are going to discuss today. So it is useful for the students of TS and AP 10th class math students. So start with the first problem. So first question is, a TV tower stands vertically on the side of road. So think that road is like this and vertically a tower here. So from a point of that point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the point of the tower is 60 degrees. So elevation is 60 degrees. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 60 degrees रहता. Okay. So from another point 10 meters away from the point, this point, another 10 meters यहाँ पे. So 10 meters from this, the point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the tower is 30 degrees here. 30 degrees like this. Here 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower. So he asking for the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower? We have to find. So this is let me x distance between these two points. So solution comes here like this. Height of the tower, height of the tower is h, and the road is x. यहाँ पे this one is road. So road is x meters. Okay, and the distance between the 2 points observation here, between the 2 point observation here, so is equal to 10 meters. 10 meters between the 2 points. So now the angle of elevations for what are they? 30 and 60 are angle of elevations are there too. So start with the answer. Okay, so from the figure tan 60 is equal to how much it will come? Tan is equal to how much? H by x, opposite by adjacent, h by x, or tan 60 is equal to what is the value? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to h by x. Therefore h is equal to how much? Root 3 into x. Okay, so that will come for 1. Okay, it is 1. And second one is tan 30. So we are going to also, then we have to find. So tan 30 is equal to how much here? So h by, so this is 1, it is total will come 10 plus x. So h by 10 plus x. Okay, so tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10 plus x. So it will goes like this. So it will come here, and h is equal to 10 plus x divided by root 3. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, h is equal to, okay, so equation from 1 and 2. So h is equal to how much? H is equal to root 3x is equal to 10 plus x by root 3. So now we have to do is, therefore root 3x is equal to 10x plus 10 plus x divided by root 3. So the root 3 will goes here. It will become root 3 into root 3x is equal to 10 plus x. So root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3x is equal to 10 plus x. 10 x will goes here, and 3x minus x is equal to 10. So is equal to x is equal to 10, and 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So x is equal to 5 answer. So here this is a x, and 10 plus x is equal to means 15 here, this total, and this is a x, and we have to find h, height of the tower, and width of the road. So width of the road we got, and h we have to find height. So height is equal to root 3x now. So in x place we have to submit 5. So h is equal to 5 root 3 is the answer here. So this is about first one. Okay, so second one solution here. A tall boy, 1.5 meter tall boy, is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30-meter height from a point a certain distance. So angle elevation is the eye in the top of the crown of the temple increases 30 and 30 to 60. He walks towards the temple. So first 30 रहता, उसके बाद आगे गए तो 60 रहता. So find the distance between walk towards the temple. So कितना दूर ये walk किया बोल के पूछ रहा. So height of the temple means here it will comes like this. This is a 30 meters height, and So this is the distance समझो यहाँ पे. So it is distance. So he is here. So like this 1.5 meter his height. So like this. So from here 30 degrees and here 60 degrees he comes. Is a 30 degrees. Okay. So this is the total distance here. So man is the height. How much man height is? 1.5 no. So man height is, this is a man height. Okay. So man height is 1.5. So if 30 में से 1 point निकाले तो 28.5 is the temple height. Okay. So the from the figure here temple height is all total all given there. Temple height is equal to 30 meters. Okay. And height of the man height is 1.5 meters. Okay. And the total distance here d given. So he walked from here to here na. So x, let it be x. Okay. So this we have to find. So how much he walked. So from the figure tan 60 is equal to tan 60 is equal to how much? Opposite by adjacent. Okay. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite means how much? 28.5 divided by adjacent is d, distance. Okay. This is the distance समझो. So nothing given here. So that's why we take it as d. Okay. So first we do 30, tan 30. Okay. So d total. Okay. So here tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by d. So d will goes here and root 3 comes here. D is equal to 28.5 into root 3 meters. This is first one. So what is d is equal to? And the tan 60 is equal to, we have to find tan 60 is equal to how much will come? 28.5 divided by here d minus x. Then only it will come this much part. Okay. So this part will come. Okay. This here यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So d minus x is the answer. D minus x. Okay. So it will go tan 60 is equal to root 3. So 28.5 divided by d minus x. So it will goes here. Root 3 into d minus x is equal to 28.5. So root 3d. So here this is second one समझो. So we submit first one d in this one, and root 3 into d is equal to how much? 28.5 into root 3 minus x is equal to 28.5. Okay. So we multiply with this. Okay. It will become 28.5 into 3 minus root 3 into x, because root 3 into here root 3 into root 3 3, it will come like this here. Root 3 into x, root 3x is equal to 28.5. So how much it will become? Here we root 3x goes here and it will come here. 28.5 into 3. Okay. 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 is equal to root 3x. 28.5 will common, 28.5 will common, 3 minus 1 will get, and root 3x. So it will become 2. 2 into 28.5 is equal to root 3x. So it will become 57 is equal to root 3x. So root 3x comes down and x is equal to 57 divided by root 3. So this will come, and if we will cancel, then we will get x is equal to 57 divided by root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 3. So it will become 57 root 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, 19 root 3 is the x is equal to, so distance. So this is the x is equal to. So this is the second solution answer. So third one solution here. So what is saying? A statue stands on the top of the 2 meters tall pedestal. So pedestal means statue का रहता ना नीचे, उसके ऊपर statue रहता. So statue this one and pedestal this one समझो यहाँ पे. Okay. So this much. So from the point of ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So top of the statue is 60 degrees. Yes, sir. So यहाँ पे this one 60 degrees and the क्या बोला यहाँ पे, so 69 from the point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Pedestal is here 45 degrees, he is saying 45 degrees. So find the height of the statue. He asking for height of the statue. We have to find. So pedestal means pedestal is here 2 meters. Okay, 2 meters. And height of the statue is statue is h here. So elevation from the statue is 60, 160 and one is a 45 degrees. Two are given here. So let the distance between the point of the observation and foot of the pedestal. He is here the x meters. Total he is here x. Okay. So we have to find height. Okay. So from the figure, so tan 45 is equal to how much? Tan 45 is equal to, so tan 45 is equal to here, this is 2 meters pedestal height and 2 by x, it will be x. Okay, so tan 45 is equal to how much? 1. So 1 is equal to 2 by x. X will goes here, 1 into x is equal to 2 here. Okay, so this one 1. So and another thing also we have to find tan 60. Okay, tan 60 is equal to, tan 60 is equal to how much? Height h plus 2 by h plus 2 divided by x. Okay, tan 60 is equal to how much? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to h plus 2 by x. So x is equal to how much here? 2 na. So we submit here. Root 3 is equal to h plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 goes will here and 2 root 3 is equal to h plus 2. So h is equal to how much? H is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. Here will come. Okay. So next one. So here will 2 will common, root 3 minus 1. So this is the height of the tower. Okay. So this is the answer. So fourth one solution. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60. Top of the cell tower is 60. From the building यहाँ से यहाँ तक. So building ऐसा है. Okay. So building क्रॉस नहीं रहता. Okay. So here like this. So it is 60 degrees here. Okay. So he is here 45 degrees he is saying. Okay. So and the angle of depression means यहाँ पे नीचे देखना. So if the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, so here 7 meters here. Okay, so total meter यहाँ building से tower तक. So and the 7 meter, find the height of the tower. So he asking for height of the tower, this one. So total height of the tower we have to find. Okay, so this one we think that h x, this one total h minus x. Okay, so this is a h. Okay, so we have to find angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So this one 60 degrees. Angles given here 60. Okay, and another depression is rising. So upward direction, and depression angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so distance between the tower and the building. Tower and building is 7 meters. Okay, so let the height of the x meters. Okay, here height is h and this is the height of the building. So building height is x. So x is equal to x only na. This is the building height. Okay, so tan 45 is equal to how much will come? X by 7 will come. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to x by 7 and x is equal to 7. 7 will goes here. 7 1 ja 7. So next one tan 65. Tan 60 is equal to how much? H minus x. H minus x divided by 7. So tan 60 root 3. H minus x divided by 7. Okay, so 7 will goes here and x is equal to 7 we submit here. So 7 root 3 is equal to h minus 7 and 7 will goes here plus 7. H is equal to 7 into under root of 3 plus 1. This is the answer here. So height is means how much? Height is 7 plus root 3 plus 1 here. So fifth one solution. So what he is saying, a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with the electric pole. So electric pole and the angle of elevation of 30 with the ground, and because it is covering the long distance, it was cut tied and long elevation of 60. So two angles are given. 8 meters length of the electric pole. Wire is 18 meters here. How much length of the wire was cut? So कितना cut किया बोल के पूछ रहा. So we do. Here height of the pole is h समझो. So h is the height of the pole, and here the elevations, two elevations given na. So first one is here, this one 18 meters. Okay, so 30 degrees elevation. Whenever 30 degrees elevation, okay, it is a 60 degrees now. 60 degrees elevation, it is 18 minus x. Okay, it is 18 minus x. So we have to find x value and height. So how much length? Okay, how much length of the wire was cut? So we have to find this one. X cut करे तो कितना मिलता है यहाँ पे? We have to see. So length of the wire is h. Length is 18 meters, and the cut of wire removed. Wire removed is removed from this. Total length is x. Okay. So height of the pole is ht. Height is h. Okay. And next sin 30 is equal to, we take here sin 30 is equal to, because hypotenuse is given here. Okay, sin 30. So sin 30 is equal to hypotenuse opposite by opposite is means how h divided by 18. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 h by 18. So it will goes become like this. 18 by 2 is equal to h. So 2 1 ja 2 9 ja, h is equal to how much? 9. H is equal to 9 will get. So another thing, so sin 60 we have to do. Sin 60 is equal to h by 18 minus x here. 18 minus x, this one, hypotenuse by this one. So sin 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 is equal to h by 18 minus x. 18 x h is equal to how much? 9 no? Here h is equal to 9. So root 3 is equal to 9 into here h9, this one h9 into this 2 goes here, 2 by 18 minus x. So 18, this will go here. 18 is equal to, so this 9 2 ja 18 is equal to this much. So root 3 into 18 minus x. Okay, so 18 minus x here. So root 3x, 18 is equal to root 3, 18 root 3x, 18 root 3 minus root 3x. Root 3x will goes here, 18 will goes here. Root 3x is equal to 18 root 3 minus 18. So 18 will come on here, and root 3 minus will come and by root 3. So here it come, and x is equal to this one. So root 3 will can this will do. So x is equal to 3 into root 3 into 18 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. 6 root 3 into 13 root 3 minus 1. This is the answer here. Here sixth one solution. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30, and the here one tower is there and one building is there. Okay, so one building like here. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. If the tower of the tower is 30 meter height, tower is 30 meter height. Okay, here from the this one like this, he is seeing like this. Oh, this one is here. So this is distance between the two towers, one tower and building. Okay, here comes like here. So total distance is d here. Okay, so it is 60 degrees, here 30 degrees, and total x building height is x here. Okay, so height of the tower is 30 meters. Height of tower is equal to 30 meters, and the angle of two angles given is angles, one is 60, one is 30. Okay, so distance between the foot and the building is, we do with the this is the d we let. Okay, So tan 60 is equal to here. This is the 30 meters. Okay. Tan 60 is equal to how much will come? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite means how much? 30. 30 divided by d. This one. So tan 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by tan 60 is equal to root 3 only. Root 3 is equal to 30 by d. Okay. So d will goes here and root 3 will come here. So d is equal to 30 by root 3 into root 3 will do factorization. So it will become 3, and 30 root 3 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3 10 ja is equal to 10 root 3 is the d value. Means here d is equal to 10 root 3 will came. Okay. So after that we have to do is tan 30 also. Tan 30 also. Tan 30 is equal to, so x by d. Tan 30 is equal to x by d means how much? 10 root 3. So tan 30 value how much? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and x means x divided by d means 10 root 3. Okay. So it will goes like this. It will come here and it will so it will goes here like this. X is equal to 10 root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled and x is equal to 10. So height of the building is 10 meters. Okay. So this is the sixth one solution. Seventh one solution. Here the two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other in the side of the road. Okay. So which is 20 feet wide. Road is 20 meters 120 meters feet wide, and two equal heights here like this. Okay. Of poles are a side opposite to each other. Okay. Equal heights of the standing opposite the from the point between them on the road. यहाँ पे समझो. Okay. So the angles elevation of the top is 60 and one is 30 here. So one is 60 and so one is 30 here. He's saying that. Here we think that is 30. This is 160. Okay. So this total distance is 120, 50, 120 feet. Okay. So here this one x समझे तो. Okay. This is 120 minus x will become. Okay. We need to find height, and so find the height of the poles and the distance from the point of the poles. This we have to x, and height we have to find here. So width of the road is how much? Road width. So road width is equal to 120 feet. Okay. And the angle of tower is, first tower is how much? Angle first tower is 60 degrees and second tower is 30 degrees. Okay. So distance between the one to here midpoint to pole is x, and second is 120 minus x here. So from the figure the tan 60 is equal to how much it will become? Tan 60 is equal to, so here it is height. Okay. So h by x will come because opposite by adjacent. Tan 60. Okay. So tan 60 is equal to how much? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to h by x. So h is equal to root 3 x here. Okay. So this is first one, and second one is also tan 30 we have to find. Tan 30 is equal to h by 120 minus x. 120 minus x, because this is the adjacent here, this is the opposite by. So then tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by 120 minus x. Okay. So this will goes here. Okay. Then h is equal to 120 minus x divided by root 3 will come. Okay. So this is the h second. So from 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 root 3 x is equal to 120 minus x divided by root 3 will come. So 1 is equal to 2. So we do. So h is equal to 1 is equal to 2. So root 3 will goes here. Root 3 into root 3 x is equal to 120 minus x. So root 3 x into root 3 x, 3x is equal to 120. So minus x will goes here. This is x here. Minus x it will goes here, plus x, 4x is equal to 120. So 4 1 ja 4, 3 ja 30. X is equal to how much? 30 is here. So from 60 degrees. This first pole distance between the point is midpoint is 30 degrees. Midpoint other point on the road. Okay, so we got x is here, and other we have another, this one is 120 minus x means 120 minus x means 90 here. Okay, we have to find height of the pole also. Height of the poles means his h is equal to how much here? H is equal to, first from the first equation, h is equal to root 3x. So h is equal to root 3 into 30. So 30 root 3 is the answer here. H is equal to, height is equal to. So this is about the seventh answer. Here eighth one solution. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points. Distance from the 4 meters and the 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base tower and the same the straight line or it a complementary. Complementary angle means 90. Okay. So here the height of the elevation of the tower. So tower elevation is how much here? 90 degrees. So diagram will comes like this. Here 90. Okay, 90 minus x. Here x complementary means. Okay. So this is the 4 meter and this is total is 9 meter here. 9 meters distance. So we have to find the height. Okay. Then same the straight line with the it complementary. So solution here. So height of the tower is h meters. Okay, and the elevation point from the 2 points, is equal to, one is the 90 minus x and another is the x. And from the figure tan x is equal to so h by height divided by 4 meters. So tan x is equal to, okay, so h is equal to how much will come, we take later. Okay, so this is the first one, and second is tan 90 minus x is equal to, tan 90 minus x is equal to how much, h by 9, because h is opposite, this opposite divided by 9. Okay, so tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. Okay, is equal to h by 9. So we can write it as 1 by tan x by h divided by 9. So tan x is equal to h by 4. So we submit here 1 by h by 4 is equal to h by 9. So it will goes reverse and it will become 4 by h. Okay, so 4 by h. Okay, 4 by h is equal to h by 9. So h into h square is equal to 9 4 36, cross multiplication. So h is equal to under root of 36 is equal to 6 is the answer of the height. Okay, h is equal to 6. So here solution 9th one. So the angle of elevation of the jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. So flight is here, the angle of elevation is here, so it will become like this, comes like this. So it is 60 degrees here from a point O, okay, or A. Okay, from a point A, here given that A. Okay, so after a flight of 15 seconds, so after 15 seconds the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So it is goes like this here up to, so angle become 30 degrees ban gaya aisa. Okay, now plane is here, from here to here goes. Okay, in 15 seconds, so height will given, height of this 1500 into root 3, 1500 root 3, so meters, and the find the speed of the jet plane. So asking for 15 seconds में कितना दूर गया बोल के he is asking, so कितना speed से गया. So we have to find height of the plane from the ground. Height of the plane, height is equal to 1500 root 3. Okay, so here tan 60, this one 30. Okay, tan 60 is equal to how much, so height is 1500 root 3 divided by this is, we have to find. Okay, so this is x and this is y, we let. Okay, so this is x become, So it will goes tan 60 is equal to root 3. So 1500 root 3 divided by x. X will goes here and root 3 come here. X is equal to 1500 root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. X is equal to 1500. So this is the x value here. Here tan 30 is equal to 1500 root 3 divided by, so total length na, so this is x plus y. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by, sorry here tan 30 is equal to root 3, so root 3 become here, so root 3 into root 3 1500 3, so 3 into 1500 this one, so x plus y. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 1500. 1500 is equal to, this is 1500 is equal to 1500 plus y is equal to 3 into 1500. Okay, so it will goes here, so y is equal to 2 into 1500 become. Okay, so 2 3000. Okay, y is equal to 3000. So here y is equal to 3000. This one is how much? 1500. 1500 x is equal to, so speed of the flight is 3000 meters divided by 15 seconds. 15 1 ja 15 2 ja, so here 200 meters per second, 200 meters per second, and so it convert into kilometers per hour, means 200 into 18 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 20 40, so 18 4 ja 72, so 72 kilometers per hour it will going. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so 10th one solution. So the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 60. So what is the ratio of the heights of the tower of the building? So already we did this, like the two towers like this. So one is tower and one is building. So tower is just small one, and hill like this, it will goes like this. So distance between these two is d here, and tower is x. This is a tower. Okay, and this is a building, and it is 60 degrees and it is 30 degrees here. So one is 30 degrees tower, so tower nunchi यहाँ से tower से building तक, and so building से and tower तक is the 30 degrees here. So this is x, this is y we let. Okay, height of the tower, what we get, x let we let. Okay, and height of the building is the y let. Okay, the distance is d here, okay. So angle of elevation of the tower, top of the tower is 30 degrees, top of the tower is here up to here 30 degrees. Okay, angles, one 30 degrees angle is, one is 60 degrees to the building. Okay, but this is a building and this is a tower. Okay, so here tan 30 is equal to, so here tan 30 is equal to x by d. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to how much? Tan 30 is equal to root 3 is equal to x by d. So x is equal to, no, d is equal to, so what will come? So tan 30 1 by root 3, so d is equal to root 3 x. Okay, so this is the first one, and tan 60 is equal to tan 60 is equal to how much will come? Y by d. Okay, y by d. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 is equal to y by d. This is second, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. So d is equal to, so d goes here, d is equal to y by root 3. So r d is equal to, okay, so from 1 and 2 d is equal to root 3 x is equal to y by root 3. So root 3 will goes here, so root 3 into root 3 x is equal to y. So it will become 3x is equal to y. So y will come here and root 3 will 3 goes here. X by y is equal to, and x by y is equal to 1 by 3. So it is the ratio of the heads of the building is x is to y is equal to 1 is to 3. This is the answer for this question. So please guys, this chapter share with your friends so they can benefit from this chapter, and along with your friends and other schools friends also, please share with this video. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay.